Modern design, upscale finishes, and over 4,500 square feet of beautifully designed space, this new construction home in South Ogden, Utah is waiting for you to move in. Come take a look and dream a little with me. This stunning two-story home is loaded with upgrades, stylish finishes, and a layout designed for real life and entertaining. The oversized great room flows beautifully into the modern kitchen and opens right out into this incredible patio for seamless indoor-outdoor living. The primary suite feels like a luxury retreat, complete with a spa-style bathroom with a gorgeous backdrop, walk-in closet, and even private laundry hookups. 3 more bedrooms upstairs, and in the basement, a second primary style suite, kitchenette, and private entrance, making it perfect for guests, multi-generational living, a home business, or potential for an ADU setup. There is a list of incredible features, so if you'd like to know more, please call or message me. I'm Agent Vicky with Utah Relocations.
Pack your dreams, let's hit the road. Hey. From Salt Lake City, we let the load. Hey.